Hello guys, it's Trially. Today we're gonna beat Shiver. Also, I just took a rest. Time to play. Yep, why am I lagging so bad every time I record? It's like the recording is laggier. I literally got 62 without recording. Oh, come on. That didn't reach the yellow orb. Come on. Either way, the hardest part here is just the one that has handicaps for mobile player, aka ship and wave. Wave isn't really a problem. I've been training wave. Ship, I just got training started, but I'm not good at ship yet. Like, I can do one by one block straight fly easily. No, not that kind. But I'm training using challenges, of course. Anyways, we got duel. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on. That's the first time I died there. I don't think I ever died as a mini cube. No jokes. Even off camera, I never died there. That's the first. No. Tonight, we kill the moon. Oh my god, it's less laggier. And less distraction. Why haven't I used this, bro? And it still kinda looks good. Yeah. I mean, it's morning. It's like 6 or 5 a.m. 6 a.m. Alam ko. Gigis. Sorry, that was my lola. Let's continue. Hindi po, lola. Anyways, let's continue. Hindi literally grew. I stole the moon. Oh, come on. Oh, wait, I just realized. My wave is smoother. Good. That's what I wanted anyways. Oh, I almost got traumatized again. Clip, clip. Oh, wait, tap. 94 at least. I mean 64. Mario 64 moment. Anyways. But I just realized we're 1% off to getting 69. Sad. Opo, Lola. Nilagyan kong asin yung isda. Don't mind that. Wala nga si Papa. Wala si Papa. Let's go. Anyways, I just did talking. Let's go. I hate when I cut. Go. I got to do something. It's going up. Or else I'm gonna get distracted. Plus it's colder here. Let's go. In my gaming chair, aka my grandmother chair. I think that's how you say Lola. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it's misleading. The dots are misleading me. They're lying. But I can just do it like this. See what I mean? Ooh, swag route. Before disaster go. Let's go. That's pretty goated. No jokes, that's actually pretty goated. 71. 3%. When I start dying to the 90s, I'm just gonna get mad. I feel the end is near. I can feel it in my sore throat. The fact that we didn't listen to the UFO rules, to the hit marks, and we got a new percentage, that's a sign that we shall not listen to the government. And the rules are lying. Lying, kula lying. Let's go. Oh. The lag is actually helping me straight line sometimes. For a second, I was straight lying straighter than 1 million clicks at a second. That is no jokes. I hate black. Wait, don't take that out of context. I meant the orb, okay? I meant the orb. Almost near cancellation, even though no one watches me. I meant black orbs, okay? I meant black orbs. They're so useless. Waiting, why specifically black orbs useless? Not some like green orb. You're racist. Shut up. Oh. I have 1 trillion reasons more than you do. First that it's literally replaced by the new 2.2 update. We got spider orbs, which is just better compared to black orbs, because it do the work of black orb without the extra. The only good thing that you can do with black orbs nowadays is either moving down really fast, and not going down how it was intended. You might think, oh, that's how intended, moving down fast. But yeah, that's the point. Moving down fast. The spider orb teleports. Okay, what I'm just trying to say is black orb is replaced by the spider orb. Okay, if you use the black orb still, I don't mind you. You're fine. I died. I forgot it. Black and yellow, black and yellow. And I meant that as no joke. Black orb and yellow orb. I mean, sure, it's cool. I mean, the good thing is that spider gameplay has extra. Because spider orbs do what you use black orb for in spider, but more efficient. Like you might think, oh, why do you use a spider orb for a spider? It's already like, come on. You know how the red pads and black orb are combo? The only downside is mostly of the fact it doesn't look good. Because it's, let's say, just weird sometimes. Like, I'm pretty sure one time I clicked at the black orb and I teleported up, up the opposite way. Like, I was so confused. Like, with the spider orb, you can literally do anything. For real, no cap, on the grid. Anyways, let's be serious now. Fuck you, copyright music, I hate. Shame on copyright, they're annoying as hell. Suck, I'm not there. I'm not monetized. I hate copyright. All of my videos are copyright. Short, I don't know. But I know all of my videos copyrighted. And I couldn't care less. Why? I don't even have an editing software. And I'm not even monetized, so who cares? I'm not monetized, I'm just here for fun. So what's the point? Yeah, nah, I ain't obeying your ass. Your ass has poo. That's why. Anyways, let's go. Let's should get serious now, actually. It's getting bad how some people hold this the easiest and I cannot even beat it yet. So let's go. Serious in 3, 2, 1, go. 50. Oh, I forgot to hit the green. I knew I already F up, if you know what I mean. I'm eating supper and you're gonna fucking die. Booking die. Bok. That's what I said. Okay? I didn't swear. I swear. Wait, no. I didn't swear. It's weather. Anyways, let's talk. It's getting bored. Let's go. I'm not even having lag anymore. I'm fine now. That could have been the best point, not gonna lie. I almost reached my potential to beat this level. Once that ball part is done, freedom I will have, I think. Not sure. Forgot the other parts, but who cares, right? That's the only hard part. The ball. To just side trade that. That's the only line trapped there. Oh, no way. Ah, you know, I hate it when you think you're gonna land, then you didn't land, and you were off by an inch, so you cannot hit it, jump on it, or click it. Annoying. So annoying. Eh, finally. This is my favorite part, only because of the music. Gameplay wise, I would say the best gameplay in this entire Shiver thing is, well, the wave. Like this, guys, when the wave gameplay is good, okay? So you can, it's hard to beat wave gameplay. Plus the ship gameplay is either up and down and up, or straight line. But most of the time straight line, guys. Tell me one person who actually listen, who do this like this. No, none, right? None. Nobody will do that. It's harder. That's probably how it got demon. But it was, because they do it the dumb way, not the smart way of just bouncing the ship or straight flying if you're PC. Like, people might think, oh, but you can straight fly too. You can straight fly in mobile. I mean, I can, but why would I? Not only I have oil in my finger while playing, which hurts, which will hurt if I fasten. The oil is fish oil. I think what the hell is fish oil? No need to ask what the hell is fish oil. After all, I eaten raw fish before because I thought it was cooked. Anyways, this is serious. You have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And this is the only progress. I don't want this to be a platinum repeat, which I put a lot of effort that I can. But, you know what they do. No view. But this is the last attempt. So, I wish me luck. Well, not really, because it's still 9:30. 1930. Oh, it's 1940. World War II, I meant. But just because I can't, I want to do more. I'm gonna increase it to 25%. Just kidding. I'm gonna increase it by 25 me. 2 minutes. I forgot how to speak English. Glock. Anyways, let's be serious now. Always forget yellow black. Hold on. I'm back. No one noticed because it's cut. Anyways, let's go. Easy. I have activated my superpower. Yippee! This one is hard. Oh, why I always hit the pink? I try to buffer. I forgot that I cannot buffer to the green. Either way, I will beat this now. He breaks. Ah shit, the ants are back. I'm more safer. Let's go. No, the alarm. That wastes a lot of time. Ants and stuff. Seems like I've broken my... I broke my click. It's not accurate. It says the ball is there. The ball clicking is there. But my hand is slightly to the right. It's weird. I don't care. Calisthenics. That jump again. That jump is the only hard jump in the mini. I hate how they put white cloud in it. It looks harder than it looks. Either way, I'm gonna still try beat this. Even with 25 minutes, it seems like I cannot make any progress. But I will not quit. I'ma play till my last attempt. The ants are covering me, but I couldn't care less. If I have a webcam, only no. Ant is infested. I hate it there. I know this is my last attempt because I forgot to click. Yep, this is my last attempt for real. Well, like and subscribe, ring the bell. or else I'ma put a pipe bomb up your boombox rat